Good afternoon, Monday, July 29, 2:11 p.m. Eastern, and welcome to superareas.com. And I will make another video today to explain another funded company that we are affiliated with. The company is called FTMO. They deal with some forex, CFDs, indices, and many things. At superareas.com, we give you 10 areas every morning that predicts the market. But before I get into it, just wanted to let you know that we are a trading school located in Toronto, Ontario. Exact address is 1575 Mississauga Drive, 1575 Trinity Drive, Mississauga, Ontario. L5T 1K4 is our postal code, and we have written a software that analyzes stock market, crypto market, indices market, futures market, gold, crude oil, natural gas, and works with NinjaTrader. Now, before I begin, as usual, the disclaimer is that anything I teach here or screen record, is for informational and educational purposes only. You're responsible for your own profits and losses, your own wins, your own stop losses. We just will give you all the tools necessary to be a successful trader. So the company that today we'll talk about is FTMO. I've done an extensive video on how to go ahead and do Apex buying, setting it up, passing, ESP, everything. So let's talk about FTMO first of all. So if you go on superareas.com, click on the FTMO banner right here. It says Traders Wanted. Click on it, and it takes you to this page. You have a sign-in page, you have a register page, and let's sign in. So I have an account here. So right here it shows you can do a demo trial on how their funded account works, or you can start a challenge. So I will click on Start FTMO Challenge. Different currencies they give you. In this case, I will pick USD, and I will pick the challenge of $200,000. So if I click on that, the count time I want is FTMO swing, so I can hold the trades overnight just in case if I run into any issues. And it says you can also trade during the news releases. The leverage is 1:30. So let me click. So you can pick any, popular is 100,000. I will pick the 200,000. Swing, I like to do this on MetaTrader 5. And then they have an agreement. The price is $1,184.16 US. Proceed to payment. It says your order has been received. I must pay $1,184 in order to continue. I would pick crypto. Pay with Bitcoin. Copy the address to my blockchain. Okay, let's send them some money. Send them a little bit faster. Cost me $1. And let's send. There you go. I've sent them the money, and it will take some time for it to confirm the transaction. I will put in my address, and that's it. Notify me when it's ready. At this time, it could be taking up to well over 30 minutes to do the order. Now I've sent them $1,219.68 via Bitcoin. I'm using my crypto to send it, and once it is confirmed, I will come back and connect it with my MetaTrader and go. While that is doing it, let me explain you what FTMO is. So FTMO is another company, funded company, yet another funded company that is looking for traders, and they have different levels that you can qualify through to get capital. So I have taken the $200,000 challenge. So cost is, as you saw, let's put in $1,220 USD. Slightly different than how Apex works. They have 3 rounds. So round number 1, round number 2, and then finally a payout round. Round number 1. And I'll explain you once my crypto is confirmed. I will go ahead and show you what we have to do. So they only have 4 conditions. Minimum trading days is 4. Same thing in round 2, by the way. Max daily loss is 5%. So 5%. So since I have a $200,000, I cannot lose no more than $10,000. Maximum I can lose in one day is 5%. Max total loss is 10%. So I can lose $20,000 today, and that's it, and make profit of 10%. So of course my goal is to make $20,000. Once I qualify, I manage to do round 1, I will go into round 2 and repeat the same thing. Minimum 4 days, and I will be able to trade that. Now, the good thing is there's no expiration or monthly fee. I don't have a monthly fee on this, just $1,200 for round 1, for round 2, and in payout round, this is refundable. So if you are managed to get to payout, they will refund, and I just got to read on how much they will refund up to, but they will give you some money back. So no expiration, no monthly fee, and you can trade forex or indices or anything, whatever they provide on their platform. You can hold trades overnight. So at 6 p.m. you don't have to close your trade, winning or losing. No live threshold. So if you see 500s, in a trade, whatever you see is what you get at close. So when you close a trade, there's no live trailing threshold. Of course, from day one, your threshold is rising as you make money. What does that mean? So I'm going to put some trades in. So this is your starting balance on July 29. July 29, 2024 is how this is going to go. Let's do day number 1, trade number 1. You made $100. It will get added to your daily loss. It will get added to your max loss. So your threshold is added on every trade. So you got to do this round 1, round 2. Once you show them 2 rounds, you get into the final payout round where you make your money. Let me confirm. Still confirming. 2 out of. So okay. Anything else we should care about? No. 5% is your maximum daily loss. So if I lost $9,995, I can still come back tomorrow and lose another $9,999 to be exact, but let's leave a $5 buffer. So that's how you can. So don't blow your account if your account balance is less than 5% of your daily max. So make sure that keep an eye, and their website dashboard is really cool. Keeps a track of it, and once I get my username and password, I'll show you how this is done and how you can log in. So of course they have mobile apps and desktop apps. This is done using MetaTrader 5. Now these are CFDs, not futures. Apex is futures. So completely different game compared to Apex, compared for FTMO, and just slightly different way of dealing with the funded company, right? So CFDs. So in my case, NQ is US 100 cash. ES becomes your US 500. Because I trade NQ Nasdaq, I trade. How would I trade this? 2 ways of trading. For those that are trading, let me log in. For example, today, Monday, July 19, 2024. Base is up, pressure is up. These are the computer predicted these areas for our software for 10 markets. So I will just look up, for example, Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, right now, the current price based on so NQ is trading at what? Let me just check my prices. NQ is trading at 19,000. NQ is 19,222. Let's look at the cash price. US 100, 19,069. So right now the spread between the difference is 153. We don't care about the price of this. We only are going to care about the price of whatever the futures price is, because our areas are predicted on futures prices. So whenever Nasdaq gets to today areas is done, as you can see, NQ 30-day. So if you look at today's areas, they got so 410 today got 360 done, 230 done, 160 done. So 3 levels got hit, 3 areas. So now I'm waiting for 19,410. So the moment it will get to 19,410, of course, 19,410, I will add 153 to it automatically. And approximately when the price gets to minus 153, I'll subtract, sorry. So when the US 100 price goes to 19,257, I will do a short sale. So I will short the market. So I don't care about the US 100 price. I only care about my futures prices right here. So let's see, confirming still 1 of 2. I don't have a username password yet. And okay, let's open up MetaTrader. And this is the symbol that we will be working with, Nasdaq 100. So once I have my username and password from FTMO, then I will connect, and I'll show you how to connect and get started with FTMO and how we will be trading. Meanwhile, let me show you another tool. If you go on superareasusa.com, now we click on the shop. We have a few tools for you. This is called the Ninja 8.1 to MT5 connector, $250 US. If you click on that, you're able to then trade automatically from Ninja to Meta. So once that is done, I will show you that you can buy this lifetime license to connect Ninja to MT5. So it's called the bridge. Wherever I'll take a trade on Ninja, it will automatically take a trade on my Meta. So I will reconnect once this confirmation is done, and I will be able to show you guys how to connect Meta. Okay, looks like the transaction has gone through. Now we will log into FTMO. And there you go. Now I have just bought a challenge, $200,000, and you guys can see it gave me a login, my balance, my credential. So before I log into my MetaTrader, let's click on Matrix. So this is the live analysis of your account balance. So it tells you my account status is ready, I didn't start it yet, and unlimited, I don't have an expiration of this account. My account size is 200,000, account type is swing, and I'm on MT5. Now, what is my so consistency score is something that you don't have to worry at the beginning, but one thing you should definitely worry about is minimum trading days are 4. So it says not passing, 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 not passing. Why am I not passing? I have not traded for 4 days. Okay. Number 2, passing because I have not hit a max daily loss. So if I lose $10,000 in 1 day, this account is blown. If I ever lose more than $20,000 ever, as of right now, because it's a new account, I won't pass this challenge. Once I have a profit target of 20,000, I will pass this challenge. Then it tells you your risk reward ratio, everything. It's a pretty cool interface that keeps track of everything. Now this is a paid funded account. I paid in front of you guys, as you saw, $1,200 US, and now in 4 trading days, if I trade, but I don't have to finish $20,000 in 4 days. 1,000 a day, 500 a day, depending on your style. They don't have to be consistent 4 days. I mean, not Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It can be Monday, then the following Monday. So there's no pressure, there's no rush, there's no renewal. I just have paid them, and I gotta go and complete 2 rounds before I am qualified to get paid. So here I will click right here on my credentials. As you see, it says my login. So I take my login. It tells me that I am on FTMO server number 2. So it says download MT4 through the web or desktop or Mac. It works on any mobile platform, Windows, iPhone, everywhere. So this is not a NinjaTrader platform. This is a MT5, MetaTrader 5. So let's copy my username, and I will go into MetaTrader, and I will open up account, open a new account. Let's search for a company called FTMO. There you go, it shows up right here. Let's go next. Server number 2, my login, it is right here, and my password, it is copied. Finish. Now I'm connected to FTMO server number 2. So FTMO server 2. Okay, it's all connected. Everything looks good. Now here it says my balance, equity, free margin, everything is right here. My exposure, I'm not in any trade. My history, I have not taken any trade whatsoever. So let me show the window of symbols, market watch, and I will just reorganize my layout this way. I don't care about anything except Nasdaq or maybe ES. So I will remove these symbols which I don't want. Forex, I don't care about anything that, because I don't trade Forex. So I'm going to hide them all. You can refresh and show them again if you like. So the one I am dealing, you can trade lots of Forex, exotics. You are dealing with metals, cryptos, equities, cash. So I will go under cash, and I'm taking US 100 and US 500. These are the two that, and let's do US 100, and let's do chart window. So here is a 1 minute chart for Nasdaq 100. What is the current price of Nasdaq? So the current price is 19,046, as I explained earlier. Let me go back here, and if it's, so let's look at it live comparison. Let me open my depth of market on my Ninja, and let's do right here. So this is, let me open up slightly different, new order ticket. And let's do NQ. Okay. So as you see, my futures price is 19,200. My ES, and this price is 19,054. So 19,200, 19,054. So of course the difference between my futures price and 146 right now. So 150 is the number that I'm going to use, but I don't particularly care about the price of this. So where is it on my area? So 19,200, it is right here, S1. Okay, S1. and it is dropping. 193, 192. So let's say if I decide to go long. New order, let's pick up one lot. In CFDs, you can break, there's no micro, there's no mini like that. You can break your thing to as low as one, the volume is 0.01, so, or 0.10, sorry. So let's do one, and I will do a buy market order. There you go, I've placed the buy market, and if I go down to exposure and trade, it tells me my movement on my particular trade that I'm in. So I've taken a long position from 19,000 and approximately 93, 94 area. So let's go back to the matrix to show you how FTMO, let me refresh, and you can get the live update on their website that tells you how much money you have available and how much money is your daily loss and how much money is your total loss. So while that is refreshing, let's look at my trade. So I'm in a trade, for example, $1.90, and I've decided to go long. Why did I go long? It is my approximately area of S1. It went as high as this. Now I'm deciding to go long in this area because the price is coming down. So yeah, approximately here. It hasn't gone to level 2 yet. So technically I am supposed to go long because these areas are done. But just as for demo purposes, I'm showing an area trade that there you go, I've made. Let's go back to the website of FTMO. So what does it say? It says that now permitted loss is this, my daily loss is this, because I've lost $6.90. I cannot lose more than this in it. So every day you can quickly get an update on seeing your today's permitted loss, your max loss, and as you make money, you will have a better chance to understand daily that you can take more losses if you have made money. So I'm going to, and now same thing. The good thing about, let me write this, you can do long and short at the same time from same price. It just opens up another trade. So if I decided to go short, if I don't know, I will do a sell order. There you go. Now the same time, I'm one long and one short from approximately $10 difference. So there you go. I'm making money here. So it kind of keeps so it freezes it if I'm in a particular trade. I don't know if it's going up or down. You can kind of freeze your position by doing a hedge. Right now it is doing a hedge, so it is now stuck at $8.80 because one position is going up, one position is going down. So of course my max, it is going to pull in each direction. So in this case I'm one long, one short, and my maximum loss is now stuck at $8.80, which is not going to move because both of these forces are canceling each other out. So if I make money, for example, there are certain situations where you would like to go long or short, especially in the news events, because you're not sure which way it would go, and then you can kind of pause your current P&L at a certain point by just opening up another position in opposite direction, like hedge it just to be safe and secure. That's another complete video for me to do. But as the things are going long, of course, at the same time, I am losing money because I've shorted from. Generally, you would go same price. Right now, there's a $10 difference. So, but that's not for. I just wanted to show the point. always my loss would be $8.80 until I close this trade. So let's close a lost trade right here. Okay, I have taken a loss now of $14. Let me close this trade. What is my history? That I've taken a loss of $17.40 in a short trade. And what is my position on my long trade? I've made $10, $11 in my long trade. Let's go back to the website and let's refresh. So I start, what was my balance? 200,000, and I've taken a $17.40 loss. So it's not 200,000, it's actually $10,000 daily. So that's my my trade number one that is closed. I took a loss. So, and now trade number 2 is still going, and let's see what my trade number 2 is doing. And I'm up $16, $14, and let me close this trade right now. Okay. So I've taken a profit of $14.30. So these two trades will calculate my daily. You don't have to do anything, the system does it for you. So I'll go another long from here because I assume price should go up. Where is my Ninja Trader? What is that doing? So my analysis are done based on here. And let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq has gone up 227. Let's see if I can put another long trade. Take a position of buy. Let's go back to the trade windows, and I am in a buy trade again. And my total overall loss has been, in the history, $3.10 realized negative. So let's go back and refresh this matrix. So let me refresh this matrix and refresh this right here. It is doing a live calculation. There you go. I've made $4.40. Let's close. $7, $6. Let's close this. And history. Now my third trade is $5.70. So there's no live trailing threshold. So let's update my sheet. So $5.70 trade number 2. So my total profit has been $2.60 realized after all commissions and fees and everything. And so trade number 1, we took a loss. Trade number 2, we took a profit. Trade number 3, we took a profit. So my account balance now stands at 200,000 plus $2.60. Okay, so so my account balance stands at 200,000. Let me do it in a decimal sense. So 200,000, $2.60. This is just doing it as an example. One is not enough lot for you to make. So now, as you see, my daily loss has gone up a little bit, slightly, not much. So now I can lose, because I made some profit, I can lose some profit because it only shows today's profit of 50 cents. So my max loss has gone up as well. It tells you I'm still passing here. Tells you 1 day because I just took 3 trades. So that is all good. And I'm not passing because I only have made 50 cents. And that's it. So it tells you end of the day, I've only made 50 cents. So it's not $2.60, it's actually 50 cents after the commissions and everything. So now my maximum loss has gone to 20,050 cents. So let's go back to Meta. This is my full results. Where's my I have $202.60 in total gross profit. So what is my price? Price, of course, is going up on Nasdaq futures. So I just look at the direction in my futures trade on my Ninja, and I will do my meta trading on the phone, MetaTrader, either on the phone, because I only work with areas. So once my areas is hit, so when the price gets to 410, I would do a short. When the price goes to 19,000, I would do a long. So because I'm an area trader, I don't look at anything else except some levels and zone. I could do all of this. So if I decided to, price is starting to go back up. So if I decided to go long or short, I would do not based on the charts. I would do based on my my areas. So that explains how this works. Now let me connect with the software that I was explaining on how to connect Ninja with MT5 bridge. Okay, let's come back to my Ninja Trader. I have it all connected. I have the FTMO running on my MetaTrader here. As you see, I have no trade open after my last trade. $2.60 is where we were standing before. And I have my bridge open. I have installed the bridge. You guys can go on superareasusa.com to buy the bridge right here. It's $249.99 USD per one computer, lifetime license. And my team at Super Areas can install that for you. And once that is all set up, I'm connected to my bridge, and I won't be taking any trade on Meta. And I will, for example, looking at it, my account is SIM, and price is 241, and I will go long one lot here. And as you see, I have gone long here, and let's look at my Meta. Meta has taken a trade automatically. So I did not have to do anything, and I'm up 9 cents, 10 cents, 11. Just for his demo purposes, I'm showing here. I've taken one lot, and I'm up, and I will close my trade here. And if I hit close here, automatically my trade is closed here. So let's go and pick up 10. That would, and let's do right now I'm watching 30-20, and that's because it's not in any area or in the moment, so I'm not taking any risky trade. So let's still do maybe 5 to go long. So I've taken 5 lots to go long on my sim, and it is taking another trade right here. So 0.4 and 0.1, 5 lots, and I've decided to go long in this particular case. So you can adjust the volume or the ratio in the bridge settings on how much do you want to push every time you hit sim. How much do you want to push? So let's make it a little bit more exciting. So I'll close it right here. I'll close everything here. Let's go back to Ninja Trader, Control Center, and let me close this trade. This is also here. I'm dealing with sim, and I'll close this trade. And let's put in an ATM here. So in this case, I would say AutoMax. I would take let's set up an ATM. So let's go to custom, 28 ticks, SL 128 ticks. So each time take 28 ticks stop loss and take 28 ticks profit. So let's do, this is NQ 3020, 28 SL, 28 TP. And let's automate it. 7 points, save it with 5 lots. And let me go ahead and set up an ATM here. Here's my ATM. Let me pick my area to be the radius 55, bars to look at infinite, sim, and let's press OK. And now let me look at my strategies, and let's enable this. And let's watch the magic. Every time there's a black candle now, my meta will automatically take the trade. You see my trade is coming in automatically, and it will hit a stop loss automatically. It would take a TP automatically, and both trades should close. There you go, stop loss got hit, and next black candle it will take it again. So right now this is NinjaTrader 8 running with MetaTrader automatically and with full ATMs completely hands-free on FTMO. So as long as Meta is open, my next black candle, it will take the trade again. So this is an ATM with 28 ticks stop loss, 28 ticks profit, 5 lots, so it would be 0.5 there. Let's see if it, right now this is not the right time to be doing an ATM trade anyway. It's 3:32 p.m. and during consolidation, of course, it won't work. We need like momentum, which happens at 9:30 to 11 in the morning. And so in this case, I'm just watching the movement, and the trades are completely done, fully automatic. So next black candle to the down, it will take a trade in. So as soon as I have the fourth bar and the black candle appears, it will take, so only 3, and fourth bar, it would take the trade. That's why I put it as a 55. I'm doing my ATM on NinjaTrader 8. AutoMax is what I have got running with 28 stop loss, 28 profit, and fourth bar, it should take the trade in. Right now it's consolidation within the 250 zone, and because I've set the radius to 55, you will try to avoid as much as so right now this is Ninja with an ATM, with the bridge, with the FTMO auto trading. And let's see, of course there is absolutely no swing happening right now, so it needs a swing for me to show you a live demo. There you go, trade got taken in at the fourth bar. Now if the swing is less than 7 or 8, 10 points, you will hit a stop loss again. But just wanted to show you the power of automation. It would probably hit a stop loss. I'm at 28 ticks. You can set up your, and another trade got open. In this time I'm making money, and it would go 7 points automatically. And so you can run this ATM with, I'm not putting in any trades whatsoever. Every single thing is being done automatically. And there you go. You can of course take over any time. There you go, next trade got closed. It hit my 28 ticks SL twice, and this time it took it 28 ticks TP. So next black candle, it would open again, and the trade got automatically inserted. Automatically it has this SL put in, automatically it has a TP put in, and it got hit. So there you go, guys. And if you want to ever take over automatically, you can, let's see, another black candle to the upside. So yeah, ATM should be run during the morning. Another trade got opened, and now you have an SL at the bottom. You can obviously change and control your TP yourself manually. If you want to do a little bit of a manual trading, all you have to do is just take over this SL yourself. So in this case, I can move my SL here, and FTM, it will automatically move my SL this direction here. Opens a trade again. This is a complete consolidation market. Absolutely horrible to do an ATM trade, because we are when the swings are there in the morning from 9:30 to 11 o'clock Eastern, you have the market moving in one particular direction, but in this case, market only goes up about 8 points down, 15 up, 10 down, 10. So this is not the time to use the ATM. The real good time preferably is 9:30 a.m. to 11 o'clock if you want to. But the idea of this is you can pretty much automate everything right now. Everything is automated. So there you go. It will take a TP itself. It will take a SL itself. It would take the swing. So in this case, that's the second time it's taking a profit in this case. So as long as the swing is more than 12 points, you will be in profit. And where do we stand so far? Exposure will explain everything altogether. We are minus $13. Just because swings were not there, but it is completely automation. So it took a 28 tick stop loss, 28 ticks TP, and I've attached it with my Ninja Trader along with MetaTrader FTMO account, and it is taking my trades using the bridge 100% itself, that I'm not doing. So for those that are trading the areas, you can connect with the bridge. If you're doing manual trading, and you don't want to manage Ninja as well as FTMO, this is a great tool that my team can install. There you go, automatically. In this case, I'm not even trading. It just has a logic built in. Every time you see a black candle, just automatically take the trade in. So here I can take over the trade and close it manually. There you go, third time you will hit a TP. So we are down to $10, and because it's just so little, it's only 5 quantities, so the ratio is 0.5. You can change on a smaller. I just put the setting to the smallest account, which is the $10,000 account. You can change it to whatever quantity ratio that. So 1 becomes 0.1, and there you go. Got again, took the entry, and it will take my trade in, and completely effortless, and it is trading itself. So guys, this is how you guys do the Ninja with Meta, with the FTMO, and I've shown you everything, how the whole account works, what your objectives are, what you have to do. And if you have any questions, you can of course contact us at superareas.com, and my team can really run you through the whole setup and process. They're expert at this, and how the Meta works, how the everything would be done completely. And we use this ATM of AutoMax on Nasdaq because the swings generally are there in the morning, and you will be able to make great profits with this logic of black candle, where it takes a trade in after each black candle. So as long as swings are at least, you can run this AutoMax on a smaller scale, maybe take a smaller, even instead of taking a 28 points, 28 ticks, 7 points, you can take a little bit longer. But those doing the areas, you just need to click once on your Ninja, and it will automatically do. And as you guys can see, as these trades are running, my FTMO account is being updated live. Excuse me. So when I go to refresh, you're able to see that it is doing, my matrix is being uploaded. I'm in profit, and we are hoping these swings are more than 12, and then you'll see profit. But if the swings are not that much, you can always change the SL and TP. This is just for pure example and proof of concept on how the things work with this. So here's the live matrix. It shows I've lost $16. How much I can go down. Of course, if I make more money, it will add it to my max permitted loss. So There you go, guys. Hopefully this video explains how to do FTMO with automatic and logic and black candle and ATM. Everything is done for you, and we're trying to come up with better tools and better features and support to make sure your trading journey is successful. And try superareas.com. If you are not a member yet, you can try all of this risk-free for 14 days, and you're able to definitely make your analysis much easier with the software we have put together. Again, to close it with the disclaimer, we're not an investment firm. We don't take your money. We don't manage your accounts. We don't trade on your accounts. All we care about is we've written great software that helps you analyze the market, and you can use it for your own discretion. So there you go, guys. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful evening. Take care. Bye.